In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader on Windows 11. So if you no longer need or use it, then make sure to watch this full tutorial to learn how to remove Adobe Reader from your laptop or PC and free up space. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then open up your settings in your pinned apps. If you don't see settings here, use the search box at the top, type settings, and you should see it come up underneath best match. Give that a click, and that's going to open up your settings. From here, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto apps. And on the app section, you're going to see at the top the option for installed apps. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this with all your currently installed apps. From here, you can locate Adobe just by scrolling through the list. You can see it's here, or alternatively, there is a search box at the top where if you type Adobe, it should come up. Once you've located Adobe, come to the right hand side of the app and click onto the three dots here, which says More Options. From here, you can see the option to uninstall. Give that a click. It's going to ask if you want to uninstall the app. Just click onto the uninstall button, and as you can see, this is going to start the installer, which of course you would just run through the steps to uninstall Adobe. So I'm not actually going to uninstall it, as I do personally use it myself, but that is the overview on how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.